Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you just try to unzip of your files, when you go to the files and try to zip the files, so which you haven't, so want to unzip, so it's not working. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad, just like that. I have that file. So I'm gonna go to the downloads and I have got that file. So when I just click on that and see the or no, see unzip it. So in your case it's not working. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So let's go back and just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just go to general section and just go to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just go to iPhone storage and have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Also make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. So that's why just go to scroll down and see the option of a transfer reset iPhone. So after that, if your problem not gonna solve, so just have to just reset your all settings from here. Also reset the network settings from here. So after that, just go back and restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, just go to Apple ID and just go to iCloud and have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. So I have full storage, so that's why my zip file is unzipped but it's not working. So make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. So after that, just go back and restart your iPhone and again on it. After that, you just go to your files and just go to the downloads and just unzip your file from here. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.